Would you like to ensure the optimal operation of your e-charging stations? Then make it easy for yourself and rely on Chargepoint.OPERATION from has to be. Operating one or more charging stations brings with it many new tasks for companies. For example, who takes care of making the stations work properly? Who looks after the software updates or the yearly check? And what to do when there is a defect outside of business hours? For all these tasks, Chargepoint.OPERATION from has to be is the right choice. Our service keeps your charging stations running around the clock and resolves errors even before your customers notice them. If the malfunction cannot be fixed automatically, our second-level support will take care of it. They are available 24 hours a day and provide a fast resolution by remote maintenance. So your charging stations are back in use in no time at all. If remote maintenance is unsuccessful, we will alert your technician on site and support him in his work at the charging station until unrestricted operation is secured again. In addition, Chargepoint.OPERATION keeps your charging stations always up to date. For certified models, we automatically perform the firmware updates. As far as price is concerned, we are completely transparent. You simply pay a fixed fee for each activated charging station. There are no further costs. This is how Chargepoint.OPERATION definitely pays off, whether you operate one or hundreds of charging stations. As you can see, our service makes the efficient operation of your charging stations easier than ever before, and it helps you save real money. For example, by minimizing downtime or by saving on service personnel and training costs. Contact us now and benefit from our smart solutions tomorrow. Has to be. We enable electromobility.